It's time we learn how to enable Azure CDN on our Azure Storage account. This module is organized so that you can jump to a specific type of automation tool if you need to, or you can also just watch them in order if you haven't used them before. I don't assume you have the tools installed or how they work, so I'll explain each one at the start of each demo and we'll walk through them together. By the end of this module, you'll learn how easy it is to enable Azure CDN on your storage accounts and what cross-platform tools are available to help manage CDN resources. At the end, we'll also take a look at how performance compares against serving our demo static site with blob storage. All the demo scripts I present are available in the exercise files for this course, along with some additional tips and tricks when using the tools. Before we jump into any of these demos, I wanted to explain the terms and resources you'll see. First, all Azure resources are organized under a subscription, and an account could have multiple subscriptions. In many of these demos, you'll see we need to provide a subscription ID before we can create resources. Then, Azure CDN is organized by a logical grouping of CDN endpoints called a profile. Within a profile, there are CDN endpoints, which is the public-facing URL and configuration for your CDN. Related to endpoints but also a separate entity are origins, which represent the backing origin server configuration such as blob storage or custom origin. Both endpoints and origins have configuration options, and endpoints are explicitly linked to origins. This object model is good to understand when trying to automate Azure CDN since you need to know in which order to create these resources. Alright, time for the demos.